You're watching ABC 98, serving your local area. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jack Anderson, and we are here to say that for those of you in the local area of Austin, there may be a new civil emergency alert that will be issued soon by civil authorities because of a severe thunderstorm that's caught.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Travis TX, beginning at 9:42 p.m. and ending at 1:42 a.m. A strong thunderstorm with an anomalous behavior is impacting the city of Austin, Texas. Lightning bolts have the shade of yellow or orange have been observed striking into the storm clouds, resulting in the clouds engulfing in flames momentarily. This is then followed by brief severe precipitation in the lightning area. At this time, all residents of the Austin Metro, specifically Travis County, are requested to take shelter until the storm moves or